Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on that third page kit that we used a collection. So I have all the sticker sheets pulled for this. And then I was cleaning up my room yesterday and I found the die cuts, which I didn't use them in the first two pages, but why not, right? If we can get a little bit of that used up, that would be awesome. So I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking, is probably use this as the background. Because I'm thinking this is a heck of busy. Unless I put this over top. Still kind of busy though. So I'm thinking I'll probably use that gray as the background. I'm going to use this gray here as mats. And then I'll use, I don't know, a little bit of the pattern paper. Let me see. Let me see. How am I going to do this? Maybe I can do 2 strips. I was thinking of maybe doing something in the center, but I think the last 2 pages, let's go get the last 2 pages. I was going to say the last 2 pages, I think I did something like that. Okay, no, 1 page I did a strip down the side, and then the other page I did something in the center. So maybe I can do maybe a couple of strips. Let's do 2 strips at 4.5. 4.5. That can go at the top and the bottom. And then, ooh, that's a little busy, but that's okay. Let's say if I do that at the top, that at the bottom. How about if I cut this out like, I don't know, so it's bigger than this? I don't know. I don't know if that's what I want to do, or if I want to do, okay, let's do something like 6 by 8 with this. 6 by 8. Is that too small? And really, that's the only size I can do now because I've cut this right in half. So 6 by 8 is a nice size. And then maybe, I don't want to do this. I think I want to do this. Then maybe I can take some of this gray. So if it's 6 by 8, I can do maybe 2 3.5 by 5. Let's try that. 3.5 by 5. I don't want to do 4 by whatever, because then it'll be my whole 8 inches, which I don't want. But 3.5, that's a nice size. Okay. Now what can I do on this side, right? There's some big embellishments here, so maybe one of them will work. Well, that won't work. I mean, it looks good, but we're not flying, so that's not going to work. How about, there's 2 here that kind of has, I don't know, some kind of map in the background. Oh, you know what? Let me see here. I like this. I like this. I'm going to cut this off, and then I can use this. Okay, let's start gluing down. Let's start gluing down before everything gets out of control. Oh no, I cut 2 different sheets and it's the same paper. No. I could have cut it all out of one paper. Oh well. That's why you should always look on the B side. See what is going on there. Because I didn't need to cut into 2 sheets. I could have just used 1 sheet. But it is what it is. It's done now. We'll just live with it. Okay, let's put those 2 down on this. Oh, wrong side. This is a textured cardstock, so. And this one, I'm going to have the textured up, so I just want to keep it consistent. I mean, you probably won't even be able to tell once I put the pictures down anyway, but okay. That's why I didn't glue down or push down. I'm just going to do something like this. Okay. Perfect. Then we'll glue this down. We'll glue this down like this. I don't know what pictures are going to be on this. I'm not going to push this down because I need to cut this apart first. I'm going to go right where this ends. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Or do I want to do this maybe? No, I think I like that. Okay, and I think I like it there. So now I can push it down. A lot of times I will use, if they do something like this on their packaging, I am all over it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to make sure that I get the maximum use out of every, embellishment packages, even if that, includes, even if it includes the packaging, which is awesome. Maybe I can do something like that and then create my embellishment clusters on this. And then this is plenty of journaling. Plus this is a slick surface, so I'll have to remember to use like a marker, a permanent marker on that. There's some buttons on there. I haven't used buttons in forever, but I don't know if there's enough, so we'll see. I like these little birds. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Bicycle, airplane. I know we bought Mason a bicycle, so maybe I can take a picture of them biking, and maybe instead of two of these, I can just do the bike and this. Okay, I like that. Why not? Right? Why not? Okay, so maybe, okay, yeah, let's do that. Let's commit, right? Always talk about, just stick it. If you think about something too long, then before you know it, it's been days since you've been working on that layout. So you like something, just stick it. Stick it. Okay. Let's lift that and just move it in just a smidgen more. Then I'll have a little bit more room for this viewfinder. Just like that. Then we add something like this. And I like the little bird. I want to use the little bird. So we'll use the bird. Oh, it's double-sided. I'm like, what's going on? There's little birds on each side. I don't know if I want to use this button or not. Let's see at, some other things here. Okay. We can do sightseeing. Just like that. Like that. I like the discoveries. Maybe I can use that as a little little thing on the side here. Now, it had two of them so that you could stick them together, but then one is high, underneath. So what a waste. So I cut them in half and just do that. Okay. Let me see. says destination unknown. See, that has a lot of like names of places. So I can do probably tourist, but I got to figure out where I'm going to do that second cluster here. So we have one here with the bike. Then maybe we can go right across. And let's start gluing down here. Let's start gluing down. Just like that. Let's put arrows in each of the clusters. I'm not going to glue them down yet. We're just going to, kind of set them so we can figure out where everything's going to go. Okay, this one should go with this one. That one already has one, and then this one goes with this one. Okay. Now, let me see. Maybe I can put the button there. It looks okay there. Let's see what else. Let's look at the big sticker sheet. As you can tell, I ended up using that big girl, so or that big sticker. So that was awesome. I'm going to use the pointy finger. Why not? It's the right colors, so why not? Okay. Let me see. No planes. We could do maybe this globe. Yeah, maybe we could do the globe. But I got to figure out where that third cluster is going to go first. So, how about right here in the middle? Just like that. Maybe I could put, because it's small, this is small, so I could put the finger, and then here I could put that globe because I have a little bit more room. Yeah, let's do the globe. And that's why I don't glue the arrows right away, because I want to see, what I'm going to use here. So we're going to do this. I can maybe just put the pointing finger here. And then just like that. Let's do this guy. I'm just wondering if I should put the arrows here on the journaling card. Let me see. Let's put that in there. Oops. Just like that. I'm wondering if I should, kind of point to the journaling. I could do that. I like that actually a lot. So let's do that. And glue this down. I'm still thinking about that button. I don't know if I want to use it, so I kind of move on to stuff that I do know. And then I kind of come back to, this. I think if I'm going to use it, I'm just going to use the one. I don't mind using sort of like one thing. So like this has the pointy finger, this has the globe, this has the bird. So everything is like, instead of matchy-matchy, there's something different in each cluster. Oh, it's too bad. The big bike girl. But I think that's too big. I'll keep it for another layout. Okay. That has a lot to do with cruise ships, which is fine. I got lots of pictures of cruise, but this doesn't have anything to do with cruising. So, okay, so I'll put tourist over here. And then, should I do big city? I don't know where this is going to be, but I'll still put it. And then, if it's not, then I'll just take it off. Okay, I like that. Still thinking about that button. I think I like it there though. But let's cut this off. Just like that. I think I like that button there. And I'm gonna get some glue dots. Ooh, those are bigger ones, which is fine. Which is fine. Well, because this is a bigger button, so works out great. Now you could put some thread in there. I'm not gonna bother. I'm okay with not having threads. Okay. Okay, you go back in there. Then I'm just gonna put this back so that it kind of keeps the tab out. Okay, now we're gonna get, how about some white enamel dots? Let's see if we have enough, because, ooh, these off-whites are cute. And I have kind of a lot of off-white. So I think it's high time that I use them. Let me see here. I just want to make sure that I have enough. That's almost like a yellow, which would still be okay because it's almost the color of this. And I have lots of these, so guess what? That's what we're going to do. We're going to use these just like that. Then we'll use those over here. Okay, then I like to trim those off so I only have a smaller piece. And I'm going to put this away. Oh, I better pick this up first. And that's fine. Okay, so that's going to complete this layout. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.